Hey Mike, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, it looks really good. We did a good job designing it and putting these call to actions throughout, which will help with your conversion. I would recommend adding more content to your homepage because Google is crawling the internet 24/7, looking through this content, looking what photos are saved as, and they're wanting to see keywords embedded in this content. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And let's take a look at a keyword you'd want embedded. So Little Rock Foundation Repair is an example of a keyword. And so anything that people search on Google is a keyword. And the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations than them, as well as having a good amount of reviews and photos. And so what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website would be ranking. And so the other 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And the higher up on the page, the better, because that's where a lot of that business and traffic comes from. And I see you guys have an ad here. So it is really good to be on the first page because 90% of people stay on the first page. But let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. So they have these call to actions as well. Looks like it'd be super easy. It looks like you already are outdoing them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end and see why they're ranking then. So I have their website plugged into Ahrefs. And so this is going to show us the ratings from the Google data of their website authority and trustworthiness. And what makes up this rating here is backlinks. They have 9.6 thousand backlinks, which is coming from 1.6 thousand referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. So it's kind of like a shout out. And something to note here is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are high quality and they will boost these numbers here. And then other ones can be spammy and they'll bring them down. And they also have over 9,000 keywords on their entire website. So let's take a look at yours. You have 21 and 9 coming from 2.7 thousand backlinks from 155 referring domains. And then you have just under 3,000 organic keywords. And so what I would recommend here is making sure that you have more high quality backlinks so that you can boost these numbers up higher so that you're ranking higher on the page. And then just going through and making sure that the keywords that you have on your page and that you are ranking for are buyer intent so that you are being linked to things that people are searching for that are ready to buy or work with you. And so that would be my recommendation. Having some more content on your homepage, good quality backlinks, that way you can boost your numbers up to match these and even go higher. And one way that you can get those good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would just go into these backlinks here that they have, and then all the good quality ones, you would link them to your website. And so if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And the other thing is your Google business profile. Add some citations there so that you're ranking in the Google Map Pack section. The more eyes on your website, the more people that you can have converting to your customers. And so if you need help implementing any of those tips, we'd be more than happy to help you. And I do really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.